Oh boy. Surprise money, then a surprise cruise? 2 is the perfect number of surprises.
It sure is, Dad. We're going on a regular cruise with absolutely nothing about it you'd hate.
What the hell is wrong with this boat?
The Pacific Princess Leia is a cruise by and for fans of sci-fi, fantasy, comic books, anime, and video games.
But those are all just different names for... nerds. Exciting and new. Play pickleball with Doctor Who. The Nerd Boat. Your Wolverine t-shirt is like a tux. The Nerd Boat, where everyone knows the new Star Wars sucks. The drinks are all virgin, just like all the guests on board. Too busy geeking on movies from Miller and Lord. And nerds won't hurt anymore. That's a vow from your crew, the Fantastic Four. Your nerds, welcome aboard, you nerds. Stop this loving homage! I see what you're doing, celebrating outcast culture that used to be on the fringes, and I don't like it. You nerds, stop playing dress up, or else I'm gonna wedgie you and swirly you and purple your nurples until I...